Here's a SMC Laguna, 36-inch ceiling fan, 3-speed, reversible, no variable chain or a variable switch. Got this at Fanimation, I think 3 trips ago. I believe this is a 1984 model, possibly 85. Because the earlier models had, I think they had these badges, if I remember right. No, they did not have those. They had the spade badges. Yeah, this one doesn't have those, which I have a set of spades I could put on here, but I'm not going to. Anyway, we'll start up on low. It's got a pretty calm low speed. Just a little bit faster than an aesthetic. But really doesn't blow any air on low speed, to be honest. Not really, anyway. Go to medium. Now, as usual, these things haul ass. It does take a second to actually get up to speed. I mean, technically, this should be a high speed for a normal spinner fan of a 36-inch. And no, it's actually starting to throw some wind out. Go to high. I mean, it just sounds like a helicopter. Kinda. But it's a really good air mover. Go off. But anyway, that's it. Until next time.